Hi everybody, Emilie Chamel here for Hip Kit Club, and today we're playing along with the challenge, which is a colour challenge, and we had to choose from 4 colours and had to use a minimum of 3. I mostly used all of them, which is totally okay. There was a light blue, a off-white, a dark grey and red, and yeah, I went through the brand new November kit, which I received on the same day. It was fresh, and I couldn't wait to play with it. I was inspired from a photo I found on Pinterest, which showed the layering of the several pages from a December daily with some tabs, etc. And I thought that looked really beautiful, and I wanted to reproduce that effect at the top of my layout. So this is where I go from. I cut out several strips of different pattern paper in the colours that met the challenge, and then I distressed the top side of each strip with a paper distresser. I also cut out some tab with a tab punch, and then I glue it all, layering it all, just to reproduce again that multiple page effect. Once everything was layered, I went with my sewing machine and added 1 stripe of stitching. And same again, that was the inspiration from that image I had found. It had quite a few strings around, and it looked kind of nice and messy at the same time, but you know, all in a beautiful way, and I really wanted to reproduce that feeling, so I added a few more strings as well to my project, and then I went on to mount my photograph onto that beautiful triangle paper because it had most of the colours from the challenge on it, and I thought just with that paper would meet the colour challenge, so all good, all fine. Distressed the edges as I usually do, ruffled up the little stripes of paper everywhere, and then I went on to attach the several tabs that I had punched out. Then I mounted my photograph with double-sided sticky foam pad onto my layout. I like to have it a little bit ajar on that whole layering. It just helps it make it all come together and coherent, and also keep the eyes towards the photograph. Once I was done with all the layering of the tabs, I went and pulled out all the flowers that I had that same again met the colour challenge. Those flowers in the November kit, they're absolutely stunning and beautiful. I love florals and I love to add flowers to my project, and these are absolutely beautiful. They've got a little bit of a foil to it, a little bit of silver foiling, and yeah, it's just gorgeous. I mounted some of them with double-sided sticky foam pad, did a little bit of clustering, and yeah, just added a few details here and there with all my florals. Because we are so close to Thanksgiving in the US, part of our DT requirement was to create a layout where we explain what we're grateful for and to be thoughtful in family traditions, etc. And therefore I pinched the title from the October kit, which was grateful. Color matched beautifully with this kit, and this is what I love about the Hip Kit Club, is that what you've got left over, they mix so well between one kit to another, and that's the proof of it. And yeah, I just wanted to say how grateful I am for my little Sophia, and I made that page about that with this super cute photo we took of her when she was just 1 year old. So yeah, just now I'm playing around with the title, finding the best position for it, because I knew I was gonna add some more clustering of flowers. My camera died around that moment, and you'll see all of a sudden we've got two more clustering that appear. So I added the clustering next to the title on the left, but also at the top. It just again recreate that visual triangle that I love to use on my project. I looked around for a few more details. I did a couple of lines of journaling just to make it all tie together and to have a little bit of the story behind this page. And yeah, I'm just really love this layout and how it turned out. I love the colors, and it just was a super easy layout to put together. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't hesitate to check out the November kit. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.